Hey guys, who's hungry? We're at Modern Pizza in New Haven, Connecticut. We're gonna go inside and get some pizza, and I'll let you know how it is.
I'd rather continue to have fun, go out often with the people that I know and stuff like that than have more stress.
This is the bacon pizza from Modern Pizza in New Haven, Connecticut. It came highly recommended from a guy with pigtails and colorful shoes. Here's the cheese pizza from Modern in New Haven, Connecticut. Looks really good. So the bacon pizza was really good. There's nice bacony flavor. And then the regular cheese has very hearty cheese.